Greetings and welcome. This is your friendly electric shmoo. We're going to be looking at a NodeJS RCON responder script this time. We're going to install the RCON library with npm before we try and run this. And at the bottom of the script, you will see this is the port that this script is bound to. If I wanted to add an IP address, I would add it here as an optional parameter, but you can leave it out and it will bind to all IPs. This is where you're going to put your RCON service, so make sure that firewall is open. And here we're again just handling a post request, but in this example we're going to do things a little differently because this library uses callback functions to handle all of its responses. It's not issue command wait for response. You will get all of your responses in this area here. So this library needs to authenticate, and then once it authenticates, then you can send a command. Once you've sent a command, it will then respond. Even if there's no real text, it's going to respond back here, and you can do what you want with the response, and additionally send more commands. But note that you will end up back in this loop here, so you need to find a way to handle that particular phase of execution. In this case, I'm issuing a uGetBlock command, which should return some sort of block that starts with this, and if it doesn't, I'm not going to issue anything. So once this tellRaw command is run, it doesn't respond with anything. It certainly doesn't respond with Minecraft, so it will then exit silently, and that's how we're issuing two commands using this. So you would need to consider they have a result value or an output for your request. You may need to check for that to see what else to send. So Node.js, a little different than the others, but it's only one file. And let's look at it running live here. We have a server connected, and what we're doing is making a request with the wand to give me XYZ coordinates. Then in my Node.js script, I'm running a getBlock command to get the information about the block that was just submitted in the first one. So this is sort of two calls in a single action. And so that is a very simple example of connecting Node.js, and again, that game logic may be complicated. You may have to include some tokens or some identifier to know what user this has been triggered by. I would recommend some of the other libraries have a simpler way of doing it, but that is a basic RCON script. So for Node.js, see you around.